It is this small, subtle, minute thing that betray us and really shows us off as very unserious people. You can imagine being at a statue of a very prominent person, the first president of Uganda, and there are basically like 3 mutations of his name. I mean, you can't, you will sometimes reach a place and you lose words to say. Honestly, what is this? We love Kampala.
Yeah, welcome.
How are you enjoying Kampala?
I'm worker.
Oh, you're walking?
Yeah.
All right. It's fun so far.
Yeah, funny. It's
Oh.
very funny.
Yeah. Sundays are for walking, and what is the best place than to start here in the middle of the beautiful Kampala city where the streets are so clean, immaculate. We are not yet there as you've seen the video, but so far so good. And around me are teams. And I mean, the biggest endorsement to the safety around here is the teams and teams of people who are dancing away everywhere you look around here. This seems to be the make of dancing. It is only today that I realized basically all the other roads have zebra crossings apart from the one that heads north, the one that passes by the Nakasero, the State House. I wonder whether it is an omission by design or something else. It's typically another African day. You know how the rains pour down and the sun comes and the ground is wet but it's hot. If you've been in Uganda for some time, you know how it is. Not so. And by the way, this place is a good place to relax, to chill, and most of the times when you come here, you'll find people seated, relaxing, feeling some vibes. Up is the square that you can also go in and sit actually. You only have to pass through the Sheraton gate, something where they do security checks, but the park is free and you can sit there and chill and forget about the hassles of this city just for a short while. Up north, there are guys who are shooting content reels or Instagram reels dancing away, and I was shocked they're in the road and they do not have somebody looking out for traffic to not wave down the cars. Yeah, that's part of our hustle here. Content has to be made even with the dangers and risks. The higher the risk, the higher the reward also. It may also end in a worse way, but not today, I hope. And you know what? I was talking out of ignorance because most of the streets this side have been taken over by kids who are doing dances and TikTok stuff and every generation and it is problems. So I'm walking along Speak Hotel. On the upper side is Sheraton, and you'll see the reason why Sundays are very preferred for people who want to come and walk around, dance, run, because there is very little traffic and the fantastic job that KCCA has done in chasing off the vendors. I mean, you look at the city now and this is a city we would never think of would look like this in our lifetime, but here we are. Miracles happen. Somebody was telling me it is the effect of the AFCON, which is coming up next year. I don't know, but it would really be my prayer if this continues on, regardless of the time and period. I mean, this city now looks like a city, not a crowd that we have been used to. And we are here waiting for the green light to allow us to walk. And this shows you this guy is very civilized. Even a typical Ugandan would just run across here whether the lights are saying red or green or yellow. But for him, he says he will wait. He's walking around the city, and I hope he enjoys it. By the way, Kampala city is right now very safe for walking. I mean, the sections that have been demarcated for walking are extremely, extremely safe. Apart from the occasional border guys, yeah, that's our truth. But I know that's also being worked on and handled, so we hope some good news in that sector also. Anything you want to say?
It's okay.
Good news, fellow Ugandans, you can now walk peacefully in your city. We would have talked some more, but it's English is not Englishing if you hadn't noticed. So there's basically little we would have talked apart from maybe using sign language. And I know most of you don't understand sign language, so why bother? What can explain the lack of a zebra crossing on this other side of the road? Like people who have gone the other side do not have to cross over, or you have to do like this, then do like this, then do like this. And this side has an abundant zebra crossings, like every place is covered. On the other side, I suspect they expect either the president to be passing, and in that case you do not have any right to the road. You have to give way all the time. You would think you're in a city probably in Botswana or Namibia because of the low population. But right here is Kampala on a Sunday. Very, 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 the fewest traffic you can ever get around, and thankfully the workers are informed and walking the streets. I've walked, yeah, I've run through the traffic along the main Kampala road, and now I'm heading to the non-motorized corridor. Well, if you have enjoyed this video or halfway enjoyed it, I don't know what it is for you. You can put down in the comment section if you don't mind. I have some more content that is coming up. I spent some time at Serena Chigo. I also went hunting, looking for a shoe bill in the Mambamba swamps, and I stayed at a wonderful place called the Forest, the Inchima Forest Lodge. I have videos that are coming up, and if you enjoy such content, please consider subscribing so that the moment I release it, you have it on your screen and you can enjoy it. Why can't we call it a day? And you can please watch another video of mine. I walk around the place. It is just that life, you people. Life can life you, adulthood can adult you, content can content you. Editing is another beast altogether. But regardless, we move on. My humble plea is that you subscribe and we keep this journey moving. Thank you for watching. Watch another video. What's the hurry?